everyone. Welcome back. This is Janice, and today I will be showing you how to make lasagna. For this lasagna, you will need 12 lasagna noodles cooked, 2 cans of 8 ounces tomato sauce, 6 slices of deli ham, 2 cups of mozzarella cheese, 1 8-ounce can of mushrooms drained, 7 breakfast sausages, or 2 to 3 Italian sausages cooked. The first step is to put 4 quarts of water into the pot and let it boil. Once it starts boiling, put the lasagna noodles in and stir it occasionally. Boil uncovered 10 to 12 minutes or until the noodles are tender. Remove from heat and drain. While you're waiting for the noodles to cook, you can cook the sausage at the same time in a different pan. Okay, now we're back and our noodles are all cooked. So now we place them on a 9 by 13 pan and you will put one layer of lasagna noodles into your pan. First step, you will pour the tomato sauce all over the lasagna noodles. And with your spoon, you will spread the tomato sauce evenly all around the lasagna and including the edges as well. The reason for that is because you don't want the noodles to be dry or hard. You want them to be nice and moist. So you just spread it all the way around. Okay, so now you have your tomato sauce on your first layer of noodles all spread around. Then the next thing would be to put some diced ham on your noodles and you spread all the way around. Then you get your sausages and you do the same thing. And spread them out evenly. And then we go into the mushrooms. And just spread it all around. Then the last thing is you put some mozzarella cheese. Then you go on to the next layer. And the next layer would be the second layer. So you will put the remaining noodles on top of the first layer. Then the second can of tomato sauce, you will do the same thing. You would pour it all the way around the pan. Then with your spoon, you would spread it all around, get the edges. Then you will put diced ham on top of the second layer. Then you go to your remaining sausages. And your mushrooms. And the last thing would be the mozzarella cheese. Now that you have your cheese on the second layer, you will put the lasagna in the oven for 350, temperature 350, for about 20 minutes. And once the cheese is melted, and then it's ready to eat. Okay, now I'm back. It's been 20 minutes and the lasagna is ready to eat. Okay, this is how the lasagna looked after I took it out from the oven. Done. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my lasagna, please leave me a comment and subscribe to my channel. I will be making some more videos on cooking and crocheting. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and hope to see you soon. Bye.